50s when the Royal Air Force issued a requirement.
I've seen these at the Shoreham Air Show, these ones.
To replace very old and basic personal promised trainers of the day.
Jet Provost.
The jet-powered Provost range of aircraft took place in June 1954. Well, we'll skip over the rest of the history. I mean, it was pretty phenomenal, really. The Mark III became the most successful initially, with the Air Force ordering 40 of those, and then going into service with the Armstrong-Siddeley Viper jet engine, ejector seats, and a redesign of the airframe. But it was really the upgrading of the Mark III and the 4, and then turning out a pressurized Mark V version, which became a very, very successful armed export version, which was as a T-51 and T-52, that actually floated on the Strikemaster, and a very, very effective machine was in those days. Of course, they've changed tremendously, and you'll see by the amount of space that the aircraft uses that it doesn't have the ability, design, and of course all the suppression equipment to be able to pull into very, very tight turns. But nonetheless, always a very accomplished display, very smart Rolls-Royce Viper engine and manual controls. Both the aircraft that Mark owns have some synergy between them, one from Oman, the other with the Saudi Air Force, but sharing wings with an ex-Air Force Omani aircraft. The organisation started out around about, I think it was 2007, with one of many early teams of Strikemaster aircraft, and Mark employs now professionals maintaining a broad range of light aircraft, ex-military fast jets, and have a deep maintenance contract for vintage aircraft with the Royal Navy as well. Lovely, very keen young female pilots and glider pilots completing to serve for 13 years with the Royal Air Force, flying the Tornado GR4, involved in many exercises and operational refinements. He became a pilot navigation instructor, and then became a fully qualified flying instructor as well, teaching on the tutor with the American flying team, and also managing the tutor display team in its day as well. While he was doing that, he continued to develop his passion with other teams and aircraft. He's really completed all his commercial flying. Went on to take over flying pilot instruction role as Royal Air Force Sparrow. Heading into flying the Hunter as part of the mid-air squadron, and also qualifies in aerobatics flying examinations as well, and was awarded his first display authorization, initially to fly on single engine, piston aircraft with Team Raven. Now running his own business and consultancy, as well as flying a variety of aircraft. Here he is today with Mark's RSAF aircraft.
Flying a bit off course. That was quite cool, wasn't it?
advantage of this top end was that, of course, the Mark 5 was able to perform both the training and flight duties. But prototype of the Strikey engine was developed in the very late 60s. An additional thrust of 3,400 pounds and 8 stores hard points were installed in these wings, enabling the Strikey to carry light armament and drop tanks as well. A few changes were made in the cockpit itself. Uprated Martin Baker ejection seats fitted as well. In the combat configuration, the Strikey could be fitted with 2 303 machine guns, each with 525 rounds of ammunition, and the 8 hardpoints enabled the external loads such as 3,000 pounds of bombs, rockets or napalm to be carried underneath its wings. Perfect day for using up the sky here. Bertie having a really superb time, and of course the variants were very much linked under the BAC Corporation, as it was known then, to have their own variations of Strikemaster. The Saudi Arabian Air Force was the first nation to place an order for the Mark 80. They turned out to be the main export customer, with 47 examples spread over 3 batches. And the Air Force of Yemen acquired 4 Mark 81s, as well as then the Mark 82 being delivered to Sultan of Oman. Putting up into a wonderful high loop there. And of course, no great reduction facilities, the pilot having to of course stress and strain with G pulling, but with the vintage jets nobody overdoes it, of course. We're all keen to